We all know or know of someone who has suffered from cancer, which despite major advances in treatments, continues to be a leading cause of deaths worldwide. The latest, most effective treatments have saved the lives of countless cancer patients around the world. However, these treatments are becoming alarmingly futile right now. The effectiveness of all these treatments, surgery, radiation, and particularly chemotherapy, require the concurrent use of effective antibiotics to ensure the survival of patients while their immune systems are suppressed or challenged. More generally, changes in American lifestyles, with increases in diseases such as diabetes and a large senior generation, make many others with lower immunity vulnerable to these infections as well. But the global pandemic of deadly antibiotic-resistant superbug infections has made antibiotics from frontline to last defense useless, and there is no relief in sight. The Pew Charitable Trusts reported this year that in a survey of 100 UK oncologists, 95% worry about superbugs' impact on cancer treatments, with nearly half saying chemotherapy will soon be futile, perhaps within 5 years. The same situation exists in the US and elsewhere. And although the CDC reports more than 2.8 million antibiotic-resistant infections each year in the US alone, and more than 35,000 resultant deaths, pharma has largely abandoned projects developing new antibiotics, and no new treatments are on the horizon. Mētis Biosciences is developing a unique approach to the treatment of superbug infections based on proven science from the lab of a Nobel laureate. Our unique antibiotic technology, not based on conventional approaches, shows initial effectiveness against superbugs as well as safety. The Mētis Bioscience team has over 50 years of anti-infectives and drug development expertise, as well as decades of successful life science business development experience.
Every cancer patient should receive the best treatments available. But the deadly superbug pandemic of antibiotic resistance is making those treatments increasingly futile and drastically decreasing patients' likelihoods of survival. Within a year, vaccines for COVID-19 will be available, but the antibiotic-resistant superbug pandemic will be more deadly, more costly, and longer lasting. Successfully treating cancer is difficult enough. Please join Mētis' effort to provide effective and safe new antibiotics so that cancer and other patients can continue to receive the treatments they require to live.